Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to effectively use the Tome of Light's devotion. This is a very powerful trinket for tanks, offering two distinct buffs that alternate during combat. You can acquire this valuable item from Baron Braunpike within the Priory of the Sacred Flame dungeon. As a unique equipped item, it significantly enhances your character's defensive and offensive potential, making it a crucial piece of gear for many tank specializations. The Tome of Light's devotion grants you one of two powerful buffs. First, Inner Resilience offers increased armor and a chance for a magic damage shield, enhancing your survivability. Second, Inner Radiance significantly boosts your critical strike chance and provides a chance to deal additional holy damage. As you take damage, you accumulate up to 50 stacks, which then automatically switches you to the other buff, creating a dynamic gameplay loop. Beyond the automatic switching, the Tome of Light's devotion features a powerful on-use effect with a cooldown of 1 minute and 30 seconds. When activated, it instantly swaps your current buff to the other one. Crucially, the effects of this newly activated buff are doubled for a duration of 20 seconds, providing a significant temporary boost. This activation is also unique because it does not trigger a global cooldown, allowing for seamless integration into your combat rotation. To truly maximize this trinket's potential, your primary goal should be to maintain the Inner Radiance buff as much as possible, as it generally offers greater overall impact. Always use the trinket's active ability when you are in Inner Resilience mode to swap into a buffed Inner Radiance. For optimal starts, you can even re-equip the trinket before an encounter to begin in Resilience, then immediately activate it. Consider using tracking tools to monitor your buff and stack count for perfect timing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.